After you've been taking notes, you might want to start organizing your information in a more formal way. This is where tables come in. If you already have a table, the easiest way to get it into Coda is to copy and paste it directly into your doc. If you're using Trello, Coda will help you out with an import wizard here. Now that you've got your table, you can drag and drop rows and columns around to get it exactly right. If you need to start tracking more information, just click here to add new rows, and here to add new columns. Not all of the information in your table will be the same, which is why Coda has something called column formats. They let you decide how each column should look, keeping everything organized. Now it's your turn. Add a column to the Practice Docs table and drag and drop some items around.